Hey guys, what is up, my friends? Welcome back to my unrequested videos. Thank you for sticking around, honestly. Thank you so much for the whole support that you guys have given me. Times 10 back to you guys. You guys are the real MVPs. Today I just wanted to do like a little get ready with me. I filmed this a while back before my whole shebang with my arm and my teeth happened, so yeah, that's why I have full functioning arms and my life is pretty well. I mean, I'm not complaining now either, but yeah. So I actually went ahead and prepped my face already. As you can see, I used the Smashbox moisturizer, and then I'm just doing my eyebrows right here with an eyebrow brush, and I mixed espresso and chocolate gel from NYX, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set it with the NYX Control Freak gel mascara. Just brush my little hairs until they're like spiky, and then we're set. And then we go ahead and conceal our eyebrows right here with the NYX Canta Stop Won't Stop concealer in shade Vanilla. Honestly, I love this product. It's like so sticky and it just dries really well to your face. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really good. I love it to conceal my eyebrows because it gives me like really great definition. And then the brush that I'm using is one to cut crease, I believe. It's really tiny. It's from Morphe. But yeah, and then right here what I'm doing is I'm actually mixing foundations because I noticed that I got the NYX foundation a little too white for me. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and mix it with my original Morphe one, my OG one, and it should give me a really close enough color to my face. I hope I did well, so just let me know in the comments if I did. And then right here what I'm doing is I'm just going over my eyebrow section to define it. I tend to do this at the end because I don't like messing up my eyebrows if I go through it with the blender. So I just, yeah. And then right here I'm going ahead and I am concealing my under eyes, of course. And you can definitely skip this step if it's too much. I know a lot of people don't like doing this, but I just personally got used to it already, so I don't mind the extra step. But you can actually just add setting powder to all the places that you normally would conceal, and it'll give kind of like the same effect, except that it won't be as light as if you added the product. But anyway, here I am setting everything in place with setting powder from Airspun, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and contour a little bit with the not NYX, ABH girl, ABH, my bad, ABH. So yeah, I just put it over like a little bit higher than my cheekbone, and then drag it upwards and downwards. And then I use an angled brush for this because I feel like it gives me more precision. And I just try to blend it a lot. And now I'm just gonna go add a little bit of blush from Becca and Chrissy Teigen collaboration. And for this part you want to smile so big, like you're super happy, and get it on the apples of your cheeks so you can look flushed. And what am I doing here? Oh, contour my nose. Okay, so honestly you could call it a look after this. Slap on some lipstick and you're good to go, girl. You look fly as fuck. Okay, sorry for cussing, but anyway, just enjoy this last part. I'm actually just gonna do a little look, the purple liner look, because I've been dying to do this look, but I have no liners, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my lipstick, and I hope you like it. Sorry, I'm just gonna leave because this part just becomes really excruciating to watch. It sucks. I'm sorry. Hope the music makes up for it. Bye bye.
This feels like summer. Boy, you make me feel so just be my love.